Hey guys, it's Myla here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys the metro rail station in the Pretoria CBD. So that is the building there. So I'm just gonna take a walk around and show you around, guys, even up to right close to that building there. You could see here. These grey buildings here is actually the Prasa building, the Prasa offices. Prasa is actually like the agency that is running the metro rail. So yeah, metrorail is a state company, but it has Prasa, which is a private company running the metro rail instead of the instead or in place of the government, guys. So yeah, this is the metro rail station. Um, if you see that black and white small sort of like building, it used to be Mac Deserts before there was Corona, and you could see Kimpai here is the one that survived, and yeah, so that is it, guys. So I'm just gonna walk around, and then when I do the walk around, um, I'll just show you through. So yeah, let's take a walk, guys. So yeah, this is it. So so that is the building, guys. I'm just gonna get closer. So yeah, there's our stairs and there's some grass there. So there's another grass here. So yeah, that is it, guys. So just gonna take a walk right up to that building there. And I wanna just show you the building. This is one of the gardens. This is one of the rails just as a decoration. And this is the building, guys. This is the metro rail Pretoria CBD. You're just gonna take it. Just gonna try walk to the beginning there. Not really the beginning, but at least closer to the beginning. And then I move from my left all through to the right. So that is the building, guys. So it's quite a beautiful building, an old building, built in 1910. So you can see this is the metro rail station, Pretoria CBD. So yeah, that is it, guys. I'm just gonna take a walk, just take you closer. Maybe as we walk closer, it might be even more clearly visible. So there's some pigeons here also. Somebody gave them some corn. So yeah, that is metro rail, guys. This is the metro rail station in the Pretoria CBD. So yeah, so let me just try get closer. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. That is the building, guys. So this is the metro rail station in the Pretoria CBD, guys. So let's get closer and just view around. It's actually metro rail is actually one of the cleanest places. So yeah, you rarely find some spot on it. So yeah, that is metro rail station in the Pretoria CBD. So I'm gonna attempt to actually go inside and show you the inside part of it. So with that said, I'm gonna need to let me show you this. You see this notice here, guys, just to give you a glimpse of this masterpiece here. Check the grading there. NASA integrated 5-star system. That's really beautiful. So yeah, and you could see it's quite clean all through. This is a pharmacy here, and yeah, this is metro rail, guys, and this is This is actually the back side. This is the Metro Rail Pretoria CBD. So yeah guys, thank you for your time. I'm still gonna continue the video. So long, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. I would really love that, guys. Also like the videos, share the videos, just empower my channel, guys. I would really appreciate that. And also thank you for all those guys who have already subscribed, guys. I'm gonna pause the video here and see if I can not be able to show you at least the interior, maybe in full or in part. That's another nice. That is really cool. Just wanna show you guys around and also show you maybe one train. You could see the train there. This is the metro rail, Pretoria CBD. So there's a train there, there's a train there. That is really cool. It's really nice. So yeah guys, thank you for your time. I'm gonna end the video here. So kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that, guys. And yeah, stay blessed guys, and thank you for your time. This is Metro Rail Pretoria CBD.